Hello and welcome back to the final cash stuffing video of this month of February 2022. Yay! So we're gonna head and get into it. Hope you guys are having a great month, great beginning of the year. How has these 2 months been for you guys of 2022? How have things been going? How are your New Year resolutions going, if you've made any? How are your mini goals that you made? And have you had any setbacks? Anything you were able to push through lately? Like, let me know down below in the comment box below. And also I want to say I'm gonna start dedicating these money videos for Mondays. We're gonna call it Money Mondays. For anybody who's new to my channel, I normally do videos on luxury items, travel vlogs, and my locks and health. So this is something new that I'll be adding to my channel. I just wanted to share my journey with you guys with saving money, and you know, this is actually helping me be accountable because I can save money without having to vlog the experience and post it. But I've just been so intrigued with the videos that I've seen online with people doing these, and I just thought it was just so cool and just so creative. So let's go ahead and get into the cash stuffing of the last week of February 2022. So this week we'll be stuffing into our 100 envelope challenge, which is right here, and our 52-week 10,000 savings challenge, which is right here. So let's start with this one. This week we will be doing, I don't think I filled in the other ones, did I? I did not. I have to go back and fill those in. But this week we're going to be filling in $100 for our 100 envelope stuffing. So we're going to take this. Is this one already filled in? Yes, it is. So let me find an envelope that has 100 on it. Let's see. I've seen so many boxes too online that are like way cuter than what I've been doing, and I may invest in the future. I don't know. This is working for me so far, so I may not invest in the future because that's spending extra money unnecessarily, and the whole point is to save money. So I don't know, tell me what you guys think if you already watch other videos besides mine regards to envelope stuffing. Like, do you guys feel like the cute ones are necessary to have, or having the plain Dollar Tree envelopes are good enough? So we'll be stuffing, we'll do a $100 bill for this one. Blue Face Baby, put that in there. Tuck that in. I really don't want it to fall out. Look at it like that. There we go. Put that in the back. We're gonna highlight that honeycomb. Where's 100? We have 100 honeycomb right. There's one right here. So I gotta activate the highlighter. Here we go. And let me zoom in so y'all can really see what I'm doing. There we go. We're gonna color it in. And there we go. And now we're going to do our 100 envelope challenge. And this week we're gonna be stuffing $14. So let's find the 14 envelope. There she is. And we have a $10 bill. Let's go ahead and move the screen over too. We have a $10 bill, and we have $1, $2, $3, $4. So that is gonna go inside of our 14. Seal that right there. We're gonna put that in the back. And we're gonna go ahead and color that in. There's a couple of weeks I forgot to color in, so we're gonna do that too. So we did the 14th just now. Color that in. And then the 3rd week of February we did 13. Did I color in 13? No, I did not. Here's the 13. If you haven't watched those videos, make sure you go back and check them out so you guys can be up to date on what's been going on. And the 2nd week we did 25. So where is 25? 2nd week of February we did 25. 25 is right. Oh, we already filled that one in. So I believe I'm up to date for this week, for this month. There's been 4 weeks this month. So yeah, we're up to date. I believe there's 4 weeks in February. Right? Right. So there we are. We have completed the cash stuffing for the month of January and February. Thank you guys so much for following my channel, following this video, this journey. Comment down below, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my upcoming videos. Bye. No tears, no time to